What's up homies, I Enzo TV here. For today's video, we'll try to unlock this iPhone 3G that I found somewhere while I was walking. I am not sure if this phone is still working. To my surprise, still turned on but needs to be activated. So let's try to fix it. Without further ado, let's get started. Download all the files, tools that we needed, like iTunes 10 and 12, the stock IPSW version 3.1.3 and 4.1.2, iRev 6 White Door, which included the Red Snow and the Unlock IPSW 3.1.3. Link is in the description below. After you've downloaded all the files, if you have the latest iTunes installed, please uninstall it first because we need to install iTunes 10. No need to restart your desktop every time you uninstall or reinstall iTunes 10 or 12. You need to do this every time you will use Red Snow and iRev because they will work only with iTunes 10. Once you uninstall the latest iTunes, don't forget to delete the iTunes library before installing iTunes 10. You can't use or run Red Snow and iRev using the latest iTunes. That's why we need iTunes 10. First, open Red Snow. Run as administrator. Then go to Extras. Then select the IPSW 4.1.2 and select OK. After that, select back, then jailbreak. You need to check downgrade from iPad baseband. Then select next and follow the on-screen instruction. In this part, you need to put your device in DFE mode. By the way, after doing this process, my baseband still 6.15 while on iOS 3.1.3. I don't have any idea why, but the important thing is that it's activated and I can use any SIM card. So now we're in DFE mode. You can see it on your device that it's installing, and just wait for a few seconds to finish. Now we're done. So what we're going to do next is to put the device in PON DFE mode. Please don't skip this procedure. We'll use iRev to help us to put our 3G into PON DFE mode. Once you open the iRev, just select your device and follow the on-screen procedure and wait for it to finish the process. Once you're done, it's time to restore using the 3.1.3 IPSW that you've downloaded. Before that, you must install iTunes 10 because you can't use it to restore the device and will prompt you with an error of unable to contact the server, so on and so forth. So uninstall iTunes 10, then reinstall the latest iTunes if you have. If not, then use the iTunes 12 that I provided. Again, no need to restart your device upon doing this reinstall uninstall procedure. So we're done installing the latest iTunes. As you can see on my icon, it will detect your device in DFE mode. Just click OK, then hold Shift plus Restore iPhone and browse the IPSW 3.1.3 that you've downloaded and wait for it to finish.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on, moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Moving on.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. within the